Tired of struggling with traditional clippers that just don't fit right or deliver uneven cuts? The Remington HC4250 Shortcut Pro Hair Clipper promises to change that. With its extra wide curved blade designed to follow the natural shape of your head, you get a smooth, even cut every time. No awkward angles or missed spots. Whether you want a close trim or a bit more length, this clipper's 9 adjustable combs cover lengths from 1/16 inch up to 5/8 inch, so you can customize your look effortlessly. I've tried plenty of hair clippers before, but the Shortcut Pro stands out for how it fits perfectly in your palm, giving you total control without any hand fatigue. The curved blade really is the secret. It hugs your head's contours, making it easy to reach tricky spots at the back and sides. Plus, the cordless lithium battery runs for a solid 40 minutes, enough time for a full haircut without scrambling for the charger. If you need to plug in, no problem. The clipper works corded too, offering maximum flexibility whether you're at home or on the go. And when you're done, just rinse it under the faucet. The clipper is 100% washable and built to last. This 13-piece kit has everything you need. The clipper itself, 9 length combs, a cleaning brush, oil for blade maintenance, and a handy storage pouch to keep it all organized. It's a straightforward, no-fuss solution for anyone who wants to save time and money on haircuts without sacrificing quality. If you're ready to take control of your grooming routine and enjoy a professional finish at home, the Remington HC4250 Shortcut Pro is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to cut smarter and easier.